Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Horton part number C5547-1 three-wing pivot assembly. And this video is really just going to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of this bottom bearing for three-wing, medium, and narrow style doors. Okay. Bearing raceway in the center, as you can likely see there. Outside diameter 1.052, 1.052. A thickness 0.355 thick. It has an inside dimension of 0.428. 0.428 is the inside dimension. There is a link below this document, there's a link below this video to a document called Technical Sheet that will show the C5547-1 bottom bearing on that three-wing bottom spider. That's where it belongs. Okay, so a very helpful document to be able to review that. And then finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can review not only all of the Horton products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Horton C5547-1 bottom bearing for the Horton three-wing pivot assembly, or any other Horton product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.